Hey everybody, this is Eric with Dempsey's Resolution Fitness, and I'm bringing to you a quick tip I just thought of. I had a bunch of girls ask me recently, and they were saying like, when I'm coming up with my meals for my meal plan, I don't even know what a protein, fat, and carb is. OMG, really? Okay, so we're going to break it down to crayon and cardboard. Okay, so if I don't know what a protein, fat, or a carb is, step one, go to your computer. Search engine, Google, right? Type in lean protein, okay, or sources of lean proteins. Ready? Here we go. Sources of lean protein, and then hit enter. Step two. See what we get. Lean protein sources for a healthy diet. Let's see what this one says. Let us see. Okay, the first one. Okay. It's got beans, tofu, meats. Let's see. Steaks, roasts, pork loin, tenderloin, poultry, skinless chicken, turkey cutlets, blah blah blah. Okay? Alright, so there's your source. So what do? Find a good little big list that with a bunch of stuff on it, and then hit print. Step 3. Okay. Now we're gonna wash, rinse, and repeat for sources of good fats. Okay, ready? Sources of good fats. Bam. Sources of good fats. Hit enter. Step 2. Alright. Bam. Let's see. Sources and benefits of healthy fats. Just pick one that looks cool. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Talks about monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, and omega-3 fatty acids, blah, blah, blah. Sources of healthy fats. Almonds, okay? Avocados, flaxseed, olives and olive oil, peanuts and peanut butter, which, that's pretty low on the list, according to me. Sunflower seeds, walnuts, okay? For further reading, you can keep going and going and going. So there's a bunch of them right there, right? And you just keep looking. All right. Step 3, hit print. Now you get a whole bunch of sources of proteins, whole bunch of sources of fats. Now we're going to do it one more time. Okay? One more time. We're going to go back. Sources of fibrous carbs, which is going to come out to be vegetables and fruit. Bam. Enter. Step 3. Oh, step 2, right? Step 3 is print. Okay. Fibrous carbs. Okay. Bam. Nutrition source, carbohydrates, good carbs, guide the way. Okay. Let's see what they got. Dun, dun, dun. Good carbs. Alright, so it's listing a whole bunch of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, brown rice, and then you can, beans, whole bunch of different stuff, right? So, bam, step 3, hit print. There. Now you got your list. You got your protein, fat, and carb list, right? So, from your protein, fat, and carb list, now what you're going to do is you take your 3 lists, and I'm going to circle or highlight all the ones on that list that I found on the internet, and look at several sites. Don't just pick one. Look at, 4 or 5 and make a big list of each one. And then circle or highlight all the ones you like. The ones you like out of that list. And then go ahead and start putting your meal plan together, right? Okay, so meal 1, protein, fat, and carb. Pick one of each, write it down, and then you just got to get the amounts right, the macronutrient, okay? As we talked about, which is a separate topic. Okay, so, but that gets you your protein, fat, and carb, and that is a complete meal, and then you just have to make it the right amount, and you have to eat it at the right time, okay? And you do that for each meal for the day, like say 6 meals for that day, put the time next to it that you're going to eat it, put the macronutrients and how much of each is going to be there, go get the ingredients, bam, now you get your shopping list because you know exactly what you're going to get. You have your meals, you know when you're going to eat it, so it's all done for you, right? And you got to do that for all your meals every day until you get the hang of it and you don't have to do that anymore. And then it'll become second nature after you master it, and then you'll be a lean, mean fighting machine forever and ever, looking good in a bikini, alright? Now, that little lesson could have cost you about $35 to $45, okay? Google, people, Google, alright? And if you ask me, I'm going to tell you, Google, 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 okay? Educate yourself. Don't just sit there and go, oh, I don't know, I'm just going to be fat, okay? Google, alright? That's all I can tell you. Alright, this is Eric with Dempsey's Resolution Fitness. Remember, if you have any questions, ask me. And when in doubt, Google it, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.